In this video I'm going to show you how to change your Monzo PIN, but first please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So first of all, open a browser of your choice and type Monzo app. Click on the first result and will appear a page with different sections created for the customers to be helped. Scroll down a bit and you'll find the section Monzo card and PIN. Click on it and then scroll down on the page that appears until you find the voice changing your PIN. Here you can find all the instructions to change your PIN. You have the power to update your PIN at cash machine conveniently at any major high street bank cash machine, including well-known names like Barclays, HSBC, Lloyds and more. It's easy, you just have to select PIN services at cash machine. Consider that while you can attempt this change at cash machines in other countries, Monzo advises opting for the UK if possible, as there is a possibility to might not function smoothly abroad. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.